Hello, we are proceeding with the installation of batteries for Ericsson enclosure 6150. As you see, we have the 3 banks. Each battery here has 48 volts, so it's 3 banks, the first one, the second one, and the third one. And so we are looping the middle one and the top one. And actually the first bank should be connected to battery 1 here, and the second and third bank will be together connected on battery 2, and those there are the breakers. You have the 2 breakers there, right? So the bottom one, which is the first, this one is going to be connected to the first breaker, and the second and third will be together connected to the second one, the second breaker, as you see battery 2 there, right? All right, and then as for the positives, we connect it to the bus bar there, as you see. All right, so you can subscribe for more information. All right, goodbye, and until next time.